as of Monday, June 8, 2026, at 1846. Here are the top 10 global tech 150 stocks predicted by AI Ensemble. Number 10. Advantest, Test Equip Sector. Advantest presents a mixed technical profile. The RSI at 35.9 indicates proximity to oversold conditions, contrasting with a clear downward trend in the moving average. However, on-balance volume registers by dominance, suggesting underlying accumulation. The volume moving average signals sluggish trading activity. The estimated 15-day return for Advantest stands at plus 14.4%. Within the test equipment sector, current trends emphasize advanced solutions for AI, high-performance computing, and automotive semiconductors. Increased chip complexity drives demand for sophisticated testing capabilities and R&D investment, navigating evolving global supply chain dynamics. Number 9. Microchip, MCU sector. Microchip technical indicators present a bearish profile. The moving average indicates a persistent downward trend. On-balance volume shows clear sell-side dominance. Relative loss at minus 0.37% confirms underperformance, while VMA suggests trading stagnation, indicative of diminished market interest. Despite these prevailing technical weaknesses, the estimated 15-day return is projected at a positive 14.9%. No company-specific news is currently reported for Microchip. However, the broader microcontroller unit sector is undergoing significant inventory adjustments following post-pandemic oversupply. While demand for general-purpose MCUs has normalized, growth drivers are shifting towards specialized, higher-performance units for automotive, industrial, and AI edge applications. Number 8. KC Tech, CMP sector. KC Tech's moving average indicates a downward trend, complemented by OBV showing clear sell dominance. Volatility is currently at 0%, and relative strength is negative 0.55%, indicating underperformance. The 15-day estimated return for this equity is positive 16.3%. No specific company news available for KC Tech. The broader CMP sector continues to experience headwinds from persistent supply chain disruptions and fluctuating raw material costs. Demand outlook remains cautious amid global economic uncertainties. Number 7. Soitec, semi-wafer sector. Soitec analysis indicates a rising moving average and buy dominance in on-balance volume, signaling underlying bullish momentum. The relative strength index at 49.4 suggests a neutral but not overbought condition, allowing for potential upside. Noteworthy is the 0% volatility, implying recent price stability, which precedes the projected movement. The 15-day estimated return is plus 17.9%. Accuracy is not provided. No specific news is available for Soitec. In the semi-wafer sector, demand continues to be driven by data centers, AI, and automotive electrification. Key trends include ongoing supply chain diversification and sustained investment in advanced materials like SOI wafers to support high-performance and power-efficient applications. Number 6. IonQ, Ion Quantum sector. IonQ's technical posture exhibits a downward trend in moving averages, coupled with OBV indicating persistent sell dominance. Relative strength stands at minus 1.43%, confirming current underperformance. Furthermore, recent volatility is negligible, suggesting a lack of active price movement. Despite these bearish technical signals, the 15-day estimated return projects a substantial plus 19.5%. In the ion quantum sector, recent trends underscore significant advancements in qubit coherence and architectural scalability. Industry investment is increasingly channeled towards developing fault-tolerant quantum systems, positioning key players like IonQ at the forefront of this nascent but rapidly evolving computing paradigm. Number 5. Electronic Arts, Gaming sector. Electronic Arts displays extreme oversold conditions with an RSI of 5.7. The moving average indicates a clear downward trend, further supported by on-balance volume showing persistent sell dominance. Notably, volatility is reported at 0%, an anomalous data point that conflicts with observed directional indicators, implying a potential data inconsistency or an extremely narrow trading range not reflected by the broader trend signals. Despite these mixed and potentially contradictory indicators, a 15-day estimated return of plus 20.0% is projected. No specific company news is available for Electronic Arts. However, the broader gaming sector faces headwinds including post-pandemic growth normalization, macroeconomic pressures impacting consumer discretionary spending, and significant industry-wide layoffs as companies optimize operations. Number 4. Jesung Engineering, Deposition Equip sector. Jesung Engineering exhibits a weak technical profile. The moving average indicates a clear downtrend, corroborated by on-balance volume showing persistent selling pressure. Volatility at 0% signals extreme market stagnation, while a relative strength of -3.61% confirms underperformance against the broader market. Despite these bearish indicators, a 15-day estimated return of plus 23.1% is projected, presenting a significant divergence from current technical momentum. The deposition equipment sector is currently undergoing a cyclical recovery, propelled by increased capital expenditure from memory and foundry manufacturers. Demand is driven by advancements in 3D NAND, HBM, and advanced logic processes requiring sophisticated ALD and CVD technologies. While geopolitical factors remain a consideration, the general industry outlook indicates sustained growth in semiconductor equipment spending. Number 3. LG Innotek, Optical Parts Sector. Current analysis for LG Innotek indicates a predominantly bearish technical posture. The moving average reflects a distinct downtrend, corroborated by on-balance volume signaling clear sell dominance. Critically, volatility stands at 0%, indicating significant price stagnation. Furthermore, the stock demonstrates underperformance with a relative strength of -2.42%. Despite these metrics, a 15-day estimated return of positive 24.7% is projected. Lacking specific company news, we focus on the broader optical parts sector. The industry continues to experience robust demand, primarily fueled by advanced smartphone camera modules and the expanding automotive ADAS market. Emerging growth areas include AR/VR and industrial vision, although global supply chain disruptions remain a critical factor impacting production and innovation. Number 2. Intel, IDM sector. Intel's technical posture indicates significant weakness. The relative strength index at 31.7 confirms an oversold condition. The moving average reflects a definitive downtrend, and on-balance volume shows consistent sell dominance, indicating net capital outflow. Furthermore, 0% volatility points to extreme price stagnation and an absence of market interest. Despite these profoundly bearish technical signals, the 15-day estimated return projects a substantial increase of positive 34.9%. Accuracy metrics for this projection are not provided. While no specific company news for Intel is available, the integrated device manufacturer sector is experiencing a complex environment. Intense competition from fabless designers and pure-play foundries persists. The sector is characterized by massive capital expenditure requirements for advanced technology, alongside significant geopolitical support for domestic chip manufacturing. Current demand is bifurcated, with a recovery in some segments and strong growth in areas like AI acceleration. Number 1. Hanmi Semiconductor, TC Bonder sector. Hanmi Semiconductor currently exhibits significant negative technical signals. Volatility stands at 0%, indicating a complete lack of price movement. The moving average confirms a clear downward trend, while on-balance volume shows consistent sell-side dominance. Furthermore, the volume moving average denotes trading stagnation, underscoring a lack of market interest. Despite these indicators, a 15-day estimated return of plus 40.5% is projected for Hanmi Semiconductor. No specific recent news is available for Hanmi Semiconductor. However, the TC Bonder sector is experiencing robust tailwinds. The increasing demand for AI-driven high-bandwidth memory is accelerating the need for advanced packaging solutions, directly benefiting TC Bonder manufacturers through heightened capital expenditure and capacity expansion. Powered by the top-ranked AI Ensemble model, we analyzed 7 major indicators like OBV and RSI through Tech and Quant to bring you these rankings, completed with reinforcement learning. See you again at this time tomorrow.